Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. We sell cuttings to gardeners and DIYers for grafting and plant propagation. Last year, we took some pear and plum cuttings, which are normally propagated by grafting, and we attempted to root them directly like we do with figs or mulberries or willows. We took dormant cuttings of Asian pears and plums, planted them in a mixture of peat moss and perlite, and then we applied bottom heat for a couple of weeks before putting them outside for the rest of the winter. After a few weeks, we checked for roots. While there were no roots, we potted them up anyway and hoped for the best. Most of the cuttings leafed out, but after a few weeks, the foliage dried up on all but one. So only one out of the four Methley plums we attempted to root was successful. Here it is 1 year later. We'll go ahead and let this grow in a pot for another year before planting out, and we'll put it next to one of our grafted Methley plums to see how their growth compares over the next few years. So propagating plums by rooting cuttings is possible, but it has a lower success rate than grafting. However, if we have excess cuttings of plums in the future, we may just stick them in the ground and see what works. Thanks, and everyone have a great week.